Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Logic and creating a new project. Pick electronic or an empty template so you don't inherit unwanted routing. Set your tempo, 90 to 140 BPM is common for beats, and set the time signature. Once done, add a software instrument track and load Drum Machine Designer or the step sequencer. This gets you immediate drums and pads. You do this to focus on rhythm first, so your groove is the foundation, before layering melodies and bass. You now lock in the groove by programming a simple kick and snare in the step sequencer. Vary velocity so hits feel human rather than robotic. Next, add hi-hats on 1/16 or 1/8 notes and experiment with swing or a groove template to change pocket and energy. Once the pattern works, layer or replace sounds using Quick Sampler or Drum Machine Designer and apply saturation, compression, and subtractive EQ to each drum so elements occupy distinct frequency space, and punch. You finish by adding a bass patch in Alchemy, Ease 2, or Sampler and sidechaining it to the kick so low end stays clear. Then create melodic chops. Drag a sample into Quick Sampler, slice, map, and automate filter cutoff for movement. Once arrangement feels complete, bounce stems or the full mix at 24-bit/44, 1 or 48 kHz. If problems appear, check timing and phase alignment, trim transients, or reduce gain staging to prevent clipping. These fixes solve most final issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.